Hello viewers, I'm Rose. Welcome back to my channel. Sometimes back, cooking was not something I really enjoyed. However, in the quest to build up a good relationship with food, I started recording small videos as I cooked. Join me in this journey as I share my cooking episodes and learn more about making delicious meals from home. I'm not a chef obviously, but together we can embrace cooking and make it exciting. Let's make every minute in the kitchen worth it. In today's vlog, we're going to be making an attempt to cook jollof rice. This is a West African dish made with peppers, tomatoes, herbs and spices. It can be served along with fish, goat, beef or chicken. It is a smoky and spicy dish with a hint of sweetness from tomatoes. In order to make the best jollof rice, you need to give attention to the sauce. The ingredients I'll be using will be tomatoes, red bell peppers, onions, curry powder, 3 chicken cubes, bay leaves, thyme, and some tomato paste. I will make my sauce by blending together the tomatoes, red bell peppers, and onions. To an empty cooking pot, I will add onions, cooking oil, and I'm going to allow my onions to cook until they're brown. Once my onions have browned, I am going to add the mixture that I blended earlier and some tomato paste, and I'm going to stir the mixture for some time. After stirring, I will then cover the mixture and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. Once my sauce is cooked, I will add some chicken cubes, thyme, rice, and a bay leaf. I will stir the rice and the sauce for some time until they are completely mixed. I will then add 3 cups of water. However, in case you have broth, you can use it. I will stir the mixture and cover it to cook. At this point, my jollof rice is cooked and ready to be served. However, I realized that I added more water than required, therefore my rice cooked before all the water got drained. Anyway, despite the water issue, my dish was flavorful. I have never eaten jollof rice before, but after this attempt, I will make a point of cooking it over and over again until I can get better at cooking it. I served mine with tomatoes and onions and it turned out delicious. Please make a point of trying this dish and leave a comment in the comment section on how yours will turn out. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one. Woo!